This video documents how you may go over the cannot get message when you are developing an ASP with a front end in Angular. So when you have an error in your application, you won't find a solution there because your ASP system doesn't say anything there. When you go there to the error list, there's nothing shown. What you should do there is you go to your client app, you open this one by your open folder in File Explorer, and then you go there, open it in VSCode. And now when you go there to your what you see there here on your npm scripts, go to your start, and then your system will try to run and do some surfing. And now the error should come. I hope so. Now you see this is the error which is said, okay, that I have included here in my read article. When I click there, there's in my TypeScript and then in my front end, for example, now I added this block, and there is not no mat icon at the code behind. So you will find the code in here. If you go there, switch from your application in here from your Visual Studio Code into your client app, and there you will find detailed explanations.